It's payday. The money hits your account, and suddenly you're tempted by new shoes, dining out, or that latest gadget. Fast forward a week, your wallet is empty, and you're left wondering, where did it all go? Don't worry. Today, I'm walking you through exactly what you need to do with your paycheck the moment it arrives. Let's make sure you stay ahead, not broke. The first thing you need to do is figure out your financial baseline. That's the minimum amount you need to survive each month. Here's how you do it. Write down all your essential expenses: rent, utilities, groceries, insurance. Add them up. For example, if your rent is 20,000 rupees, groceries are 8,000 rupees, and utilities are 4,000 rupees, your financial baseline is 32,000 rupees. This number is critical. It tells you how much you must set aside to cover your life's basics. If you're spending more than 50% of your paycheck on essentials, it's time to trim some fat. Maybe switch to a cheaper internet plan or find ways to save on groceries. Next, secure your peace of mind with an emergency fund. This is your safety net for when life throws curveballs, like a medical emergency or job loss. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of your financial baseline. If your baseline is 32,000 rupees, that means saving 1.9 lakh rupees for emergencies. Not sure where to start? Automate it. Set aside 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees from your paycheck every month into a separate savings account until you hit your target. Debt is a paycheck killer. High-interest credit card bills or personal loans can eat up your income faster than anything else. Here's how to crush it. Start with the avalanche method. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first, then move to the next one. Or try the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first for a quick win, then roll that payment into the next debt. The faster you tackle debt, the more of your paycheck you'll keep for yourself. Once your emergency fund is set and debt is under control, it's time to make your money work for you. Start by automating your investments. For example, 10,000 rupees into a systematic investment plan, SIP, for mutual funds. 5,000 rupees into blue-chip stocks for stable returns. 2,000 rupees into crypto if you're okay with high risk, high reward. The key? Set up automatic transfers so the money gets invested before you even think about spending it. Here's a mistake most people make: mental accounting. You treat certain money, like a bonus or a tax refund, as extra fun money. Don't do it. All your income, whether it's your salary, a bonus, or a refund, should serve the same goal: building your future. Instead of splurging, allocate it wisely to your investments or emergency funds. Now let's talk long-term. Investing isn't about flashy trades or risky bets. It's about consistency. For example, investing 10,000 rupees a month in an index fund with a 10% annual return could grow to over 1 crore rupees in 20 years. That's the power of compound interest. Stick to the plan, avoid market timing, and watch your wealth grow. Finally, don't forget to enjoy your hard work. Set aside a small percentage, say 5 to 10%, of your paycheck for guilt-free spending. It could be a dinner, a movie, or that pair of sneakers you've been eyeing. Just make sure you stick to the budget. Treating yourself occasionally keeps you motivated. And there you have it, a step-by-step plan to make the most of your paycheck without letting it slip away. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Invest with Bull, and hit the bell icon for more actionable finance tips. What's your first move with your paycheck? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing!